Hey Niklas, welcome CES 2026 on the faytech booth. Thanks for coming by, and I'm really excited about this year. I think this is a surprise. We have a lot of partners on our booth, but you still know Napster? I think everybody in our age knows Napster. And we created for Napster, together with Ido, I feel like the most beautiful AI station, we call it, in the world. It's a kiosk is not enough. It has a 2.1 inch when you are here now. You can't see it on your camera, but a 3D lenticular lens display. You have a transparent 30-inch display. And we did a subwoofer and a loudspeaker.
And a nice touch.
So we will make extra later a video cut, but this is a new Napster service. They have a lot of AI companions.
So the idea is you come up to it and it helps you with whatever you're doing, right?
Exactly. You can talk with it naturally, and we will have later an extra cutout of this. Let's say the whole display, you know it, the whole faytech idea is about screens. And probably we start with this one here, MeetChina. We are very proud of this kiosk project we have in China. And serious, I'm 100% sure this is the most beautiful screen on the show for kiosks. So we did it with a high brightness. For sure, our optical bonding, and it's just outstanding.
How did you make it so nice?
Well, how can I have this kiosk? And for sure, this is our competence, right? We have 3 factories in China. You visited this, our production. And this is really special. It's in the Yuyuan Garden, for example, now. It's a Chinese project, and I'm really proud that we won Chinese project. China is now the most competitive market in the world. And it has for foreigners that you come there and you can pay with your credit card. This is very, very special. Normally, you know, you need to register with Alipay, and a lot of foreigners doesn't want. And this is a very big project. We just started the rollout, and we are more excited.
So maybe with this you could choose what food you want.
And
super
you see
smooth.
How nice the touch it goes through and everything. And for sure they have then a credit card payment here. We didn't include, and a printer. And you get your voucher, and you go to the store. They say where it is, and you can use your food. And it's really
this garden you're talking about is like this place with these amazing restaurants in Shanghai, and maybe you can have this at the entrance of the place, and it shows you where to get your.
Time. It's the most famous place in, I would say, almost in China, but at least in Shanghai. And then let's say we come here to our typical display section. We have now also a lot of strip screens. For example, they are used in buses, in trains, and on bus stops. And what I would like to show shortly is, as a new series we just launched, and it's a USB touchscreen. It's, to be frank, it's because it's USB, we connected the Mac Mini and we didn't install the drivers. But this is a series from 10.1 inch to now 27 inch, where you have the full power and touch and signal over just one line. And it's slim, it's nice, it's typical faytech, stable. And so this is perfect for industrial, for machine operation. And when we talk about machine operation, this is a cooperation we do with hopt+schuler. A very nice button which allows you to place it wherever you want on the screen. And then you have the haptic feeling everybody for sure misses. What is also, you're standing in the perfect direction here. When you look on our demo, non-optical bonded, optical bonded. And this is really all what is faytech about, that our screens are just looking better. And we made a half-half. And I think it's just incredible how big the difference is in clearance, in brightness, and in contrast. And again,
and you're really making the LCDs shine.
Exactly, because of our technology. We have very ruggedized now a new stainless steel series. It's now in global operation. So this is fully outdoor. It's super rugged. It's stainless steel, so you can use it in food, where you can also clean it with a high heat pressure. It's up to IP69K. And this is a new series. We have our new our intercoms. But let's say this is what you always see. This is our standard product portfolio, which has not so much attraction on the CES. For sure, what attracts everybody on the CES is the transparent screen. And we just made this. It's the first new design we want to introduce this year. And you see it, it's super slim, it's just the glass. It's like a floating kiosk with a lot of air. You can have, for sure, a printer included when you want. This is completely flexible. So we make this one, that you have a transparent screen, but you can have also a standard 27, 32-inch screen. And then you have the box, which you can do following what you want. And we have, again, our underwater system. And this shows, again, we do really ruggedized, stable things. But
so the divers can order stuff underwater?
Exactly, when they want. But and you made already a breakout video, and I'm super happy that Sean himself, the founder of Looking Glass, was here. And we are partnering up, and with the Looking Glass technology, I think this is one of the highlights on the show. And it's a pity that you don't see it on your camera. But what we do is that you have a 2D display in the front, and we create the illusion of having a space behind, but you don't have. And it just looks, you have to come on our booth and see it, and it's just incredible.
It makes the product pop out.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah.
And it's super bright.
It's
so we
bright,
have a whole interview
nice.
About this.
You can buy it right away. We have it in stock. And so this is, to be frank, this is what attracts a lot of people these days on our booth. And let's say the next thing is we do a lot of customizations, you know it. And we have here still the Holobox, a very nice partner, Human Beam. I mean, it's now all about AI agents, and we have a lot of customers who do, or partners who do AI agents, and Human Beam is one. For them, we did a smaller and a 86-inch Holobox, quite impressive.
They're dancing at your booth the whole day?
We have party here.
Yeah.
And I mean, we had party. It's now 6 o'clock, and everybody, I think, is quite tired. You know, our transparent kiosk, super nice. We have a lot of interest now into it, and right, it's so you can see through and you can store things, but for sure the main point is to have products. But very nice also is a GHX kiosk. It's a healthcare self-check-in kiosk in the US. We sold already several thousand, and you come and in hospitals and register yourself. Today we have, or this time we don't have the table, but we did something like a Wayfinder. And this is also in museums a very nice tool with which you manage also other screens. And we have a rollout in several screens. It's a
big, nice touch screen.
Exactly. Very nice design, very smooth. And this is again another faytech competition advantage. We have our own case factory. So everything you see, all the cases, they are done in our case factory. We have our optical bonding in our clean room production. So we are your one-stop solution provider, you know it.
So what's the party going on here?
She offers you, how to say, live consultancy, or doctors, or just
full size,
just good mood when you need. Yeah, and through AI and talk, you made a breakout, I think.
Yeah.
So let's have a look on this later, right? And okay, you see here right now they are again. They were already shutting down. You know this one we make a breakout last year. It's running on a MetroClick content management system. So CMS system. MetroClick is one of our big partners. Here you have a semi-outdoor touchscreen from faytech. So it's available from 32 to 65 inch. And again, it's optical bonded, it's super nice, it's bright, and you can use it even outdoor. So we do also full outdoor, semi-outdoor, what you want. And we end up here with, which looks in reality fantastic, the HLD from Looking Glass, which we partner up and produce.
And the smaller one too?
The smaller one too. And this is the CES. Like always on the CES, we focus more on the point of sale, on digital signage, on cool stuffs. A lot of things we customize, a lot of things we do standard.
And the whole day, people are actually interacting with the AI avatars right here. It's fun.
When the internet works, it's really, the CES should improve the internet. At least when everybody tries to use AI avatars, it's not enough bandwidth, but it's a lot of great AI avatars, and that is all the AI avatars should have a nice display, a nice presentation thing, and there they should come to faytech.
So some great partnerships at this booth, huh? Yeah. It's been fun.
And it's really, everybody gets in people. It's now 6 p.m. They think turn out bound already, but we had a lot of transaction here and super happy to be this year on the CES this way.